Welcome to VIPRE. VIPRE is the next generation high-performance antivirus and anti-spyware program. With VIPRE, you don't need a separate antivirus and anti-spyware program. It's a comprehensive security solution providing anti-spyware, antivirus, anti-rootkit, and other technologies into one single solution. VIPRE provides powerful protection against today's highly complex threats. It's backed by the expertise of Sunbelt Software's Malware Research Labs, one of the leading security research organizations in the world today. Unlike other security products, VIPRE has been completely designed from the ground up with the latest technologies. It's fast and memory efficient, and it doesn't slow your computer down and waste precious resources. And VIPRE is the first security product to feature home site licensing. That means for one low price, you can use VIPRE on as many computers as you have in your household. So, let's take a quick look at VIPRE. VIPRE has been created to work as you do with an easy, simple interface designed for both new and advanced users. The main overview screen gives you the status of VIPRE. On the left, there is the status of VIPRE's key components. On the upper right is what we call VIPRE's active space, which provides real-time, live information from our research center. This dedicated area in VIPRE allows our researchers to give you immediate information of any major security issues on the internet. On the lower right is the statistics section showing you how many times you've scanned with VIPRE and how many risks have been found and removed. VIPRE is designed to be as self-explanatory and straightforward as possible, with sections for scanning, management, and tools. Let's take a look at the scanning section. On the scan screen, you can choose a quick scan or a deep scan, which takes longer but is more thorough. The custom scan option lets you choose what areas you want to scan. You can also fine-tune your scanning options. For now, let's just do a quick scan. While the scan is running, you can also do other things, check out other areas of the program, or even go back to your normal work, such as checking email. When your scan is completed, you can get more information on what was found by clicking Risk Details. Our expert researchers also determine whether a threat should be quarantined, removed, or allowed based on a number of characteristics. For example, some types of programs, such as remote monitoring software, may pose a potential security risk in the wrong hands, but you can tell VIPRE to ignore it if you actually want it on your system. The Manage section helps you manage certain parts of VIPRE, such as your scan history and items that have been quarantined. Always Blocked and Always Allowed is where you can fine-tune VIPRE's active protection to allow or block certain programs. Finally, Schedule Scans lets you choose when you want to run scans of your system. System Tools is a collection of useful tools that can help improve your security. Use a secure file eraser to permanently remove files from your system. The History Cleaner can clean out the history of where you've been on the internet for privacy purposes. And PC Explorer has useful features to delve under the hood of your computer. Now, let's take a look at how to customize some of VIPRE's options. You can edit a number of settings right from the overview screen. If you choose Schedule Scans, for example, you can customize the times you want to run a scan in your system. We suggest that you time your scans to when your computer is on but is not being used. Now, let's take a look at the settings for active protection. This is one of the most important parts of VIPRE, and it's worth explaining how it works. Active Protection is VIPRE's proprietary and powerful real-time detection of potentially dangerous or bad programs. It sits quietly in the background as you work or browse the internet, constantly checking files for any danger. Active Protection has 3 layers of detection: signature, heuristic, and behavior. These concepts might sound complex, but they're actually simple, and I'll explain them briefly. Signature detection is when VIPRE's active protection detects an exact match against a known bad file, whether a virus or a piece of spyware. In this case, the file is immediately blocked to ensure that your system is not infected. Heuristics is a fancy word for a scientific form of guessing. Heuristics looks for known bad patterns inside a file. For example, let's say a new variation of an existing virus has been released. VIPRE already knows what the existing virus looks like, so it can use that information to help catch the new variation. Finally, behavior detection looks at how a program actually behaves. For example, many spyware programs do predictable things to your system. They may change your home page on your browser or insert certain information on your computer. Behavior detection looks for these telltale signs and will prompt you if something looks suspicious. Behavior detection is the one aspect of VIPRE's active protection that you can customize yourself. So, back to the active protection settings screen. This area allows you to fine-tune VIPRE's heuristic and signature detection. We recommend you leave the default settings in place for now. They can be adjusted as you continue to work with the program. This section is the primary method of setting VIPRE's behavior detection. It can be tuned to be very sensitive to potentially dangerous behavior by being set to high. However, that setting will result in potentially numerous prompts as you work on your computer. We recommend keeping it at the medium setting. You can also configure VIPRE's behavior detection in the custom settings. We only recommend this for advanced users. You can further customize VIPRE by going to the Settings menu. We encourage you to explore the program and read the documentation. And don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this presentation on VIPRE.